Hi guys, welcome to Jeff
And the piece of
Vlog.
good
Morning! So guys, papasok na kami ng trabaho. And today, magkaparehas kami ng schedule.
Same.
But different day. So,
Same schedule. And same thing working together.
it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning here in Dubai.
I don't know what
Why do you have?
is this the something?
We forgot the Botany baby.
Yeah, because she was thinking in the car. I just didn't want to leave it in the car. It will become dirty, so I'll just wash it there.
And guys, today we will show you what we do here in Dubai. Tadaan! Hindi na namin sa presa namin. So, are you ready? Guys, nag-start na. Boss Francis nga pala. Uy, welcome to So guys, ako naman is yan. Tayo sa So, solo-solo kami ng shift ngayon and let's see what happened today. Saka medyo puyat kami dalawa. Guys, tapos na ako mag-setup. Boss, what are you doing right now? Setting up the kitchen. So, nag-open kami guys 9 o'clock. So, 22 minutes. 38. So, you have to be fast a bit. Follow nyo yan guys. Kanya yun. Oh. So guys, by the way, ito yung ano namin. Sa bar namin dito. Uy, Salman Khan! Ito nga pala yung barista natin. Yan. Rose. Taga saan ka, Rose?
Sa Pinas?
Sa Pinas, oh.
Batangas.
Batangas, oh.
Batangas City.
Batangas yan, guys. So, yan.
Batangas City.
Magaling yan. Magaling mag-calibrate.
Hotdog.
Yan. So, guys, wala pang ano. May oras pa kami. So, ngayon, tapos na lahat ng setup namin. Then, wait lang. Wala ko yung amo namin. So, for the time being, magkakape muna kami. Oh, by the way, libre kami dito. Siyempre, barista ka dito. Oh guys, yan. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, siyempre kailangan natin pagsilbihan ng pinakamagandang nagtatrabaho sa kusina. Uy! Wait lang ah. Boss, your coffee of the day. Sige, salamat po. Busy ka? Be careful ah. Okay. How's the coffee, boss? Sarap. So guys, gawa muna tayo ng kape. So, ibakas kami masyadong busy. Kuribish. So guys, 5 minutes na lang. Open na kami. Kape muna tayo. So guys, tayo na. Babo! Uy! So guys, hindi na busy. Yeah. Boss, how are you?
Hello, boss.
Where are you from, bro?
I'm from Philippines.
What do you in Philippines? Yeah, you look like Filipino, bro.
Yeah, I'm from Nepal.
Nepal. So, do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Yes, I do.
Which Tagalog word is your favorite?
Mahal kita, utang ina, and
Did you teach him to speak Tagalog? Not you. Salman Khan. Yeah. Boss, so guys, where are you from, bro?
I'm from originally from Sri Lanka, but I love India.
Oh,
My
yes,
brother is
sir.
there.
Okay. So guys, he's my colleague. Bro, do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Yes, sir.
What kind of Tagalog word do you know?
It's the famous word. Utang ina mo. It's one of my favorite words.
Yes, sir. Guys, actually, sorry guys, he's not single now. Yeah?
Okay.
Wait. Hey, gold. Hello. Where are you from? Can you tell them?
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya.
So, Nairobi.
Oh yeah? I have a question. What is your favorite Tagalog word?
Mahal kita.
And?
And tangina.
Love.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a famous word in our language, yeah?
Yeah. It's a famous.
So guys, lunch time na and yung pagkain namin ngayon fried rice, saka nanghingi tayo ng itlog sa kitchen. Waiting lang tayo kay madam.
Kain na tayo, guys.
What are you eating, boss?
Manok fried rice.
Manok fried rice. So guys, he's the one who cooked this one and it's not good. Joke lang.
You asked me more and that one's good.
It's good, boss. So guys, ito kami during lunch. 2 p.m. na ng hapon. Ilang oras na lang, uwian na. Ano? 4-6. Sige guys, kain na muna kami. Guys, pauwi na kami, finally. After a long day.
We cannot see.
Yeah.
Unless we have
So, sige. Thank you, boss. Tara na.
Brother, thank you so much.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Oh yeah, you're smiling like that.
Because I'm so sleepy and I'm off 2 days.
You're off tomorrow. I'm still working Monday. Tuesday. Yeah. So guys, by the way, yung off namin, Tuesday, Wednesday siya. Wednesday, Thursday, ako. So may one day kaming magkasama and then one day na magkahiwalay. Which is good. Kasi imagine mo yung magkatrabaho kayo where you guys working together and then gonna go home together 24/7. So at least, yeah. I mean, everyone needs space. So guys, medyo at least maganda yung panahon ngayon. Wait lang. Ito, bakit? The weather is a bit better.
So hot.
So, by the way guys, I'm gonna play basketball today. Yes? Digo. Jaywalking, don't do this. What's the target now?
I don't know. I don't have it. You're the one who's driving.
Oh, dito nga po pala kami. You guys, here in Dubai, you always have to find sand parking. So, it's free for the whole day. Otherwise,
30 dirham per day.
30 dirhams. How much is that in peso? Let's say, how much is peso? 14 times 30. Yun, calculate nyo na lang. So, yun, live buti na lang.
Sobrang mahal.
Oh, can you hold it?
So guys, let's go home. Sobrang init, guys. Dubai heat is just something else. Because of so humidity.
So, ngayon naman guys is pipick upin natin si baby. Yun. So, this is our routine. Mostly every day. Antok ka na. It looks so pretty here.
I can see it.